Is your Windows PC painfully slow? Do apps take forever to open? Does your system freeze and boot time feel like a lifetime? Before you spend another money on upgrade and a new software, pause. Windows already have powerful free software that can bring your PC back to life. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to use them. Too many apps slows down a PC. Most PCs are overloaded with many startup apps, unnecessary background processes, junk files, outdated settings, or mismanaged storage. But the good news is this: Windows has tools to fix all of these for free. Your first stop is the Task Manager. Start by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Escape. Then you see what's slowing down your PC. Look for apps using high CPU memory or disk. Disable Startup apps by clicking the Startup tab. Many apps launch the moment your PC turns on, thereby slowing down everything. Disable the apps you don't need at the startup, like launchers, updaters, or chat tools. This can dramatically reduce boot time. Windows can clean itself automatically using Storage Sense. Turn it on to remove temporary files, system cache, and old recycle bin items. Less clutter means faster performance. Go to Settings, go to Systems, go to Storage and Storage Sense, then toggle it on. Disk Cleanup removes temporary system files, updates, leftovers, and error reports. You can do this by searching Disk Cleanup. Select C drive. Check all boxes. Unused apps silently drain system resources. Sort apps by sizes and uninstall software you haven't used in months. Go to Settings, click on Apps, click on Installed Apps, then sort by size. Malware can cripple performance. Windows Defender is free and inbuilt. Run a quick scan to eliminate hidden threats that might be slowing down your system. Go to Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threats Protection. Then run a quick scan. Fancy animations cost performance. Switch Windows Visual Effects to boost performance for smoother operations, especially for older PCs. Go to System Properties. Click on Advanced Performance Settings, then adjust for best performance. If your PC is stuck on Power Saver, performance will suffer. Go to Settings. Click on Power and Battery Mode. Click Best Performance to allow your system to use its full potential. Aside adding features, updates fixes bugs and improves system efficiency. Keeping Windows updated ensures optimal performance and stability. Now go to Settings. Click on Windows Updates. Click on Checking for updates. For PCs with traditional hard drives, disk fragmentation slows everything down. Use the Optimize Drive tool to reorganize data for factor access. Go to the web and search for Defragment and Optimize drives. Click on Analyze, then Optimize. Many apps run on the background even when you are not using them. Disable unnecessary background access to free memory and CPU power. Go to Settings and Apps. Click on Apps and Features. Click App Permission. Click Background Apps toggled off. If your PC has low RAM, Ready Boost can help. Using a fast USB drive, Windows can cache data and improve responsiveness, especially with older systems. Insert USB flash drive. Click on Properties. Click on Ready Boost tab. Windows also include an automatic maintenance tool that runs diagnostics, fixes systems issues, and improves performance, all in one click. Go to the Control panel. Click on Security and Maintenance. Start maintenance. These free tools, when combined, can make an old PC feel brand new without spending a dime. Let's look at the maintenance checklist. Restart your PC weekly. Keep at least 20% free disk space. Avoid installing unnecessary software. Always use built-in tools before third-party apps. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment for us, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe for more tech tips.